to this channel where we spread love and positive vibes. Allow me to start by thanking our new subscribers and our returning subscribers. We value you. We appreciate you so much. You mean the world to us because you're the ones who have made us to be where we are. Thank you so much once again, and we dive to our topic today. And today we are talking about one of the traits of the people of Jamaica, and that involves love. We are going to talk about the love language in Jamaica. It does not matter whether it is the love language between a man and a woman, or it is a love language between a mother and a child, or it is a love language between a child and the father. We are combining all of them together, and we talk about the love language in Jamaica. And there is an article I saw sometimes back, and it was saying Jamaicans are not supposed to express their love publicly. If a Jamaican is with a boyfriend or a girlfriend, it is said they are not supposed to express their love publicly. I saw that. I don't know how true it is, guys. So if it is true or not true, just comment in the comment below. So I saw that article and I related with it because here in Africa, especially in the rural areas, people don't express their love openly. It looks awkward to the people in the rural areas. But in the urban centers, you can find one or two. It's not very common, but people express their love one or two times in the urban centers. So when I saw that article that Jamaicans do not express their love publicly, I thought maybe it's just like here in Africa where people they are not so eager to express their love publicly. But like I have said, the love that I'm talking about here is about love between the opposite sex, or love between relatives, a mother and a child, a father and a child, a brother and a sister. That is what we are talking about today. And I'm going to start by looking at how do Jamaicans express their love. And it is said that it is very hard for Jamaicans to express their love by what? By physical, by touching or by communicating, but they can do it, or rather they can express their love through actions. And that is what we are going to see in this video, that most of the Jamaicans prefer to do actions rather than talk or tell you I love you, I value you, I respect you. Rather than do that, they express it in actions. And we are going to find some of the ways, actually several ways, in which Jamaicans express their love. There is this word that Jamaicans use to actually express their love to somebody they value and they appreciate. And this is the sentence, miletia. Miletia. Maybe the Jamaicans in the house can tell us whether that pronunciation is right, but I am running patois and I hope it is correct. Miretia. And when someone tells you that miretia, that person is telling you, I value you, I respect you, I love you. And when the Jamaicans use miretia, that person is saying, if it is a Jamaican man who is actually using that sentence, he is actually madly in love with whoever he is talking about. So when Jamaican men say miretia, they are completely madly in love with the person they are talking about. It is open, or rather it is openly expressed by Jamaican men if they are in love with someone. They want to actually miretia. It is actually something that you cannot imagine. It means how much I care for you, how much I appreciate you, how much I value you. But according to Jamaicans, this one means a lot. When someone says miretia, it means a lot in Jamaica. they want to actually express their love in a twisted way, such that people do not think that they are pushovers. But in actual sense, when they use this sentence, they value you, they are madly in love with you, and they respect you. So miretia is a phrase, do I call it a phrase, used in Jamaica to actually express someone that you value, someone that you love, someone that you respect. The other phrase that the Jamaicans use to express their love is mihetiasi. 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 And you would think mihetia, it means, maybe you would interpret it in English and you say, because the word hate means I don't like you, I don't love you. But when Jamaicans say mihetiasi, which means I cannot stand you. Mihetiasi means that I cannot stand you. And it's like this person is twisting her actual feeling towards the other person. This is commonly used by Jamaican women. And you know, women are not very eager to express their love. And therefore, instead of saying, I love so-and-so, I value so-and-so, I respect so-and-so, they say, mihetiasi. Meaning, I cannot stand her or him. I cannot stand him. But in actual sense, the woman who is saying this, she is madly in love with the person she's talking about. It is so ironical because when you hear somebody telling you, mihetiasi, you'd think they're telling you they don't value you. And actually the meaning of this word, patois sentence, it means I cannot stand them. I cannot stand them. And yet, the person who is saying this is actually using irony to express their love. So the Jamaican women can say mihetiasi when they are deeply in love, when they value the person they are talking about, when they respect the person they are talking about, when they cannot resist the person they are talking about. This phrase can be used in terms of, or rather when a woman is talking about a boyfriend, or a husband, or a spouse, or a baby daddy. And when they say this, they really value the person. So mihetiasi does not mean I cannot stand you. When you hear somebody telling mihetiasi, do not think that they cannot stand you. They actually mean the opposite. They value you, they appreciate you, they respect you, and they are madly in love with you. So mihetiasi is an expression, a patois expression that actually says how much the person values you and how much the person appreciates you. So it is actually a patois sentence that actually expresses the deep love the person has for the other. When they boast at the other love language of Jamaicans, so we have found two so far. We have found miretia and we have found mihetiasi. And then when they boast about you, if a Jamaican man or woman boasts about you and praise you behind your back, this person tells you other people how good you are, how wonderful you are, but they cannot do that in your presence. So they'll keep on praising you and talking about your goodness and talking about your values and talking about your greatness to others, but they cannot tell you. When a Jamaican does that, it means the person who is doing that really values you and really loves you. This applies to spouses, to children, to friends. So if a friend does not express their love, but behind your back, they talk your goodness, they talk praises of you, they actually talk to the other people about how good you are, then it means that those people love you. Whether it is children talking about their parents, whether it is parents talking about their children, whether it is spouses talking about each other, And they express their love by telling others how good and wonderful you are to them. So it means they respect you, it means they love you, it means they value you. And this will be confirmed by the Jamaican people in the house. You can tell us, do the Jamaican people express their love by telling others your goodness, your value, your good side to others, but they cannot tell you directly in front of others? So you can tell us and confirm that. If a Jamaican, that is the fourth way or the fourth love language of the Jamaican people, if a Jamaican provides for you and make sure that you have what you want, they toil day and night to make sure that you have what you want. Those people value you, appreciate you, and love you. Jamaicans will do anything for the people they love. And therefore, one of their love language is to make sure they provide, they actually give you whatever you want, and that is their way of expressing love. Act of service, actually we can call it act of service, is the love language of Jamaicans. They can move the world to make you comfortable, to make sure that you are okay, you have what you want in your life. And that is their love language, act of service. The other way Jamaicans express their love, if they can defend you. If a Jamaican defends you during an attack, and they defend you when you are attacked by relatives or anybody, then it means they value you and they love you. If you are in a relationship or friendship with a Jamaican who cannot stand people attacking you, people talking ill of you, people fighting you, people backbiting you, then that Jamaican loves you. Jamaicans value what they love. They will not allow people to tread upon what they value and what they love. They will defend you with all their power, with all their might, with all what they have. And when they do this, it is another love language for the Jamaican people, defending the people they love, standing with the people they love, taking care of the people they love. That is another love language of the people of Jamaica. The other love language of the people of Jamaica is, and it is sometimes said, Jamaicans can also show love by act of, or rather physical touch. I don't know whether this is true, because when it comes to physical touch, it is very, very hard to people to do it. But I saw somewhere that some Jamaicans can actually express their love by physical touch, by touching someone, by kissing, by showing love to that person through act of physical touch. I don't know how true it is, but the Jamaicans in the house, they are going to tell us whether they can demonstrate their love through physical touch. In Jamaica, there are some words that are used to express affection, love. When somebody does not want to say, I love you directly, instead of saying that, they can say, easy yourself, yeah, no, yeah, you alone. I don't know whether I've expressed it nicely. Easy yourself. Easy yourself, yeah, no, sir, are you alone? And they can also say, by the way, this is another way of saying I love you. Me rate you, I love you. Me rate you, I love you. Me rate you differently, I love you very much. Me rate you differently, I love you very much. So that is the love language of Jamaican people. You can actually comment down below and tell us other love language of the Jamaican people. See you during the next video. Bye bye and God bless.